Hi there, Mark, creator of the Future Toolbox by Mad for Life here. And we just want to say a huge thank you on behalf of Jules and myself to the Year 11 students at Priory City Academy at Lincoln when we visited on Tuesday, the 10th of March. So our session was called Rev Up Your Revision, and we looked at mind maps, journeys, mnemonics, and our Plan, Do, Review simple revision tool. So now it's over to you guys. Have a go at it and have a go at ways of creating revision and study and making them easy and fun. So pop onto our website, futuretoolbox.co.uk/resources. There's some videos on there how to create a mind map, how to create a journey, and how to use our Plan, Do, Review process. Have fun, good luck everybody, and we'll see you again soon. Thank you very much.